Hi, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 4MATIC. This comes in a gray exterior with a brown interior. Got some lighter wood trim here, really nice accent throughout the vehicle. Leather seats, sunroof, blind spot assist. Let's take a look at the back here. We've got our GLE 350 Mercedes and 4MATIC badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Off the trunk space back here for you. More leather throughout, as well as those wood grain accents. And we also have the premium Burmester sound system installed in this vehicle. So a really nice upgrade. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. We have memory seats for both driver and passenger side, as well as heated and ventilated seats. Control those all from right here. And we have driver door controls right below that. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 19,069. And we have a push button ignition. So you can see our Mercedes-Benz display here. Navigation, radio, and backup camera. And of course you can control all of that with the command module right down here. Haptic feedback, push to actually make selections, and you can navigate through the different menu systems here. Below the display we have our climate control. And below that, we've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, cup holders, command module there, center console storage, and of course our Mercedes-Benz shifter here. Yeah, if you're interested in learning more about this vehicle or seeing any photos or anything else, just see our website. You can always schedule an in-person visit, do a call, or even a live chat on our website, feldmanimports.com.